AppFlowy has been gaining traction as an open-source alternative to Notion, and in 2025 the hype has grown even stronger. But is it truly a Notion killer? Or is it just another productivity tool with big promises? First, AppFlowy's biggest strength is full local control. Your data stays on your device, unless you choose otherwise, something Notion still doesn't offer. For people who prioritize privacy, this alone makes AppFlowy incredibly appealing. Since it's open source, developers can also customize the interface, build extensions, and tailor the workspace to their workflow. In terms of UI, AppFlowy looks clean, simple, and familiar. You get pages, databases, Kanban boards, tasks, and notes. Very similar to Notion. Performance is surprisingly fast since everything runs locally. And there's no waiting for server sync every time you type or switch pages. But AppFlowy isn't perfect. The biggest limitation is the feature gap. While the basics work smoothly, many advanced features available in Notion, like AI writing tools, complex integrations, formulas, and automation, are still missing or under development. The mobile version, although improving, doesn't feel as polished as the desktop experience. Team collaboration is another weak point. Notion's cloud ecosystem and real-time updates make it ideal for groups, while AppFlowy still feels primarily designed for personal productivity or developers who like tinkering. Verdict: AppFlowy isn't a full Notion killer yet, but it's one of the strongest alternatives available, especially for privacy-focused users or those who want complete control over their workspace. With consistent updates and community support, it could become a real competitor in the next few years.